Hi children, welcome back. In yesterday's class, we discussed about types of resources, resource planning in India, development of resources, and resource conservation. In today's class, at the end of this topic, you will be able to learn land resources, land utilization, land use pattern in India, land degradation and conservation measures. Students, we live on land. We perform all our economic activities on land. We use it in different ways. It supports forest, wildlife, human life, transport, etc. Therefore, it is important to use available land with careful planning. India has a variety of relief features. Mountains accounts for 30%, ensure perennial flow of rivers and support tourism. Plateaus covered 27% of area. These plateaus possess rich reserves of minerals, fossil fuels, etc. And the remaining 43% of the land is plains. We use these plains for agriculture and industry. Land utilization. Children, we use land for different purposes. Land resources are used for following purpose. The first thing is forest. According to National Forest Policy 1952, 33% of area should cover under forest. But due to deforestation, now it is only 21% of land under forest cover. The second one is land not available for cultivation. In this category, first comes barren and wasteland. What is a barren and wasteland? What do you mean about them? Yes, they are rocky, arid and desert areas, which we will find mainly on western Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. And the second one comes land put to non-agricultural uses. Example, buildings, roads, factories. This land will be used for building roads and factories but not for agricultural purposes. That is called land put to non-agricultural uses. Third category comes under other cultivated land. This other uncultivated land category, here comes three classifications, that is permanent pastures and grazing lands. It means land left for grazing. Second one, land under miscellaneous tree crop groves. Groves also trees which are not included net zone area. The third comes under cultivable wasteland. This is the wasteland which is not cultivated for more than 5 years. The fourth category comes under fallow lands. Land which lost its fertility and farmer gives it rest to regain its fertility. Means farmer is leaving that land fallow without cultivating to regain its fertility. That's called fallow lands. In this fallow lands, again you will be having two classifications. One is current fallow. This is the land the farmer leaves it for less than 1 year. It may be 1 year or 6 months, like that. The second one comes under other than current fallow. This is the land the farmer leave this place or the land for more than, means 1 to 5 years. It may be 2 years or 3 years. It is because of due to lack of water. If there is no availability of water, farmer cannot grow crops in such kind of lands. Here comes the net zone area. This is the last category in the land utilization. Area sown more than once in an agricultural year plus net sown area is known as gross cropped area. See here, area sown more than once in an agricultural year. It means we sow the crops not one time, two times or three times also. If you grow two times or three times in the same piece of land, that land is called net sown area. In other words, we can also say that the actual agricultural land available and utilized by a region or a country. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.